Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and initial first impression of the Speed Engineering inch and 7/8 long tubes for the C5 with X pipe. So here it goes. Alright guys, so like I said, just going to do an unboxing today. These are the Speed Engineering long tubes for the Corvette with catless X pipe. Box seems pretty well done. Little package put together. Alright, so we got the X pipe. Welds look pretty good. Don't see any light through the inside of the weld, so that's good. This is actually pretty well packaged too. Not just thrown in there. And these are the reducers, so this does just, you have to cut your existing H pipe, and this is the reducer to go down to the 2.5 for that, which in my opinion is not a big deal. And this is where has the wideband bung on that side. Your other reducer. Set this like that so we don't get it. Invoice. Comes with like some graphite style gaskets. I probably won't be using those. I'll get some metal gaskets. Some clamps. And that's the one thing I have heard is these clamps are a little small. They have a tendency to leak. But we'll give it a try. If anything, it won't take much to jack the car back up and put some bigger clamps on it. Alright, so here's the driver's side header. These are inch and 7/8. Quit yelling at us, kiddo. These are inch and 7/8 primaries. Oh, they're even welded on the inside. Nice. Which is why I went with these over the Texas Speeds. You know, price not being an issue, but these are a little cheaper than Texas Speeds ones too. So, and I'll go through and get a little better view of all this stuff for you guys. And then passenger side header. So, all right, I'm gonna get this cleaned up and we'll go over everything. So this is the headers and the X pipe all assembled and just kind of mocked up. So we'll start on this side. Like I said, the welds look pretty good on this. It comes down. I mean, they are a good looking header. You got your O2 bung on that side. This is those little J pipes that it comes with. Then it goes back to the X pipe. And then to those reducers. And then like your factory going to your axle back would go into there. Driver's side has the extra bung for the wideband. primary O2. And it comes down. So I mean, honestly guys, for the money, you can't beat these. I think they're better quality than the Texas Speeds personally. And they're like half the cost. And I have installed a set of Texas Speeds, and yeah, like I said, I think these are better quality. But that is that. Like I said, just a short video doing an unboxing. I'm really impressed with these coming out. So, don't really know what else to say about them. We will do a install video here in a week or so. See how it goes. But no complaints at all so far. First impression is 10 out of 10. So guys, I messed up. I was supposed to announce a winner on my last video, and I never did. So we're gonna go from there. So, sorry about that. If you even noticed, I didn't. That's why I forgot. So 2 videos ago, when I did the tinted taillights, I had that leftover spacer kit that I ended up not using just because it wouldn't work with the covers. And I said, you know, guess my mileage, and we will go from there. So as of today, the Corvette has 92,744 miles. So we're gonna go on. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can see. There wasn't a whole lot of people that entered, so if you did say something, your chances are pretty good. So we're gonna get you flipped around and we'll go from there. All right, so let's see if this works. Good enough. So it was this video, as you can see. I'll kind of go over where those 2 shorter ones go, and then it comes with the black. We're actually talking about right here, so screws. So that is what it is. You guys see? All right. So, we had Joseph say, he said 75K, so low, but not terribly. It'd be like 17,000 off. Well, I guess you're the only one. I thought someone else commented. Anyway, I guess Joseph Monica? Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I will shoot you a message on here. I will get your address and whatnot. I will get those shipped out as soon as you respond back to me. So congrats. It's easy to win when you're the only one that entered. So awesome. I appreciate it. Thanks for the subscription. And like I said, I'll get you messaged over, or message sent over to you, however you want to put that, and we'll get those shipped out to you. So thanks for that, brother.